Shehong, Sichuan, the 500,000-head modern broiler project covers an area of approximately 3.33 hectares. Phase 1 involves the construction of 10 high-standard white-feathered broiler houses with a batch stocking capacity of 500,000 white-feathered broilers and an annual slaughter output of around 3 million heads. Adopting the Little Giant EPC turnkey project mode, the project integrates functional steel-structured houses and a full range of intelligent broiler farming equipment. It realizes the intellectualization of the entire breeding process and significantly improves breeding efficiency.